stylish, dynamic, and uncompromisingly powerful, the new Proton GEN-2 is a car made for the most demanding breed of driver. Designed and engineered for excellence, it is truly an automotive marvel to behold. Welcome to the GEN-2 instructional video, a step-by-step audiovisual manual custom-made for new owners of the Proton GEN-2. In this VCD, you will find guides, tips, and advice that will give you a thorough understanding of the GEN-2 and ultimately enable you to make the most of its exemplary driving capabilities. This instructional video is divided into 3 main sections. The first section, Cockpit and Orientation Guide, will introduce and help you get accustomed to the various features of the GEN-2 and how to use them. The second section, Basic Driving Tips, will show you techniques for enhancing your driving pleasure and also advise you on maintenance and servicing to keep your car in optimal driving condition. The third and final section, Driving Techniques, will show you the best ways to operate your vehicle for maximum driving pleasure. To open the door, rest your entire fist on the door handle. Place your thumb on the permanent structure and open the door at a 90-degree angle. The height of the steering wheel may also be adjusted to suit the individual driver. Simply unlock the tilt adjuster and move the wheel to the desired height. The GEN-2 features race-inspired bucket seats for firmer back support. Both front and back seats are adjustable. To adjust your distance from the steering, pull the lever beneath your seat. Then move the chair to the ideal position. By turning the knob on the side, you can adjust your seating height. Finally, pull the lever on the side to recline the seat for your comfort. For added storage space in the trunk, the right and left rear seats can be folded forward separately in 3 permutations. To fold flat, remove the headrest, pull the strap to lift the seat cushion, and fold the rear seat downwards. The space-age console includes a meter cluster with onboard digital display that provides useful statistics. Average fuel consumption systematically calculates the average fuel consumption from the total fuel used and the distance since the last reset. The journey time tracker shows the time in hours and minutes that the ignition has been switched on and the engine has been running since the last journey time reset. Finally, distance to empty indicates the distance left to be traveled before the fuel tank is empty. Please note, however, that these statistics will depend on variable driving conditions. The ignition key comes equipped with a remote control for the central locking system, alarm system, and immobilizer. To siren the alarm, press this button. To stop the alarm, simply press the button again. The remote control will activate the central locking system within a 10-meter radius of the car. However, the distance may differ if the windows and windshield glass is tinted or if the vehicle is located near frequency distorters. To arm the alarm, ensure all doors including the bonnet are securely closed. Then press and hold the button for 2 seconds to lock the car. The siren will beep once and the LED indicator will blink. To disarm the alarm, press and hold the button for 2 seconds. The siren will beep twice. If no door is opened within 30 seconds after disarming the car will lock automatically. The car will not start using a duplicate key, as each key fob is equipped with a transponder. If tampered with, the whole key cylinder will become jammed after a few tries. For added safety, the Gen-2 also comes with child safety locks on the back doors. To engage the lock, push the lever. To unlock, simply push the lever again. All Gen-2s are equipped with Captor Alarm System, a 24-hour online vehicle tracking and recovery system, VTRS. The latter facilitates the rapid recovery of stolen or hijacked vehicles via an RF communication network. So far, the system has proven to have a 98.1% recovery rate in more than 200 reported cases of cars equipped with Captor being stolen. Captor also includes an immobilizer that prevents theft by disabling the ignition. To further enjoy your drive, adjust the climate controls to your own comfort. The first dial from the top acts as the on-off switch and adjusts the blowing speed. Turn the dial to switch on the air conditioner while ensuring that the indicator lamp is on for cool air operation. To increase the airflow, simply turn the dial clockwise. The middle dial is the temperature control knob, which adjusts the cooling airflow temperature. Turning the dial clockwise will give you warmer air. For cooler airflow, turn the dial anti-clockwise. By simply pressing the dial, you may also select between air from outside the car or recirculated air. The bottommost dial is the mode selection knob. This allows you to select the preferred direction of airflow. Custom-made for the Gen-2, the inbuilt CD player has been provided for those who enjoy listening to music while they drive. To turn on the audio system, press the power button. Use the audio button to adjust the system to your preferred setting. The steering wheel has been ergonomically designed with conveniently located thumb rest audio control buttons. Press the buttons on the right side to select your preferred mode and audio levels. You can next use the buttons on the left side to adjust the volume. To adjust the side mirrors individually, turn the knob towards the right or left mirror as desired and adjust by rotating the toggle accordingly. Basic mechanical checks should be conducted regularly to maintain the car in premium driving condition. The following chart indicates the recommended service schedule. All Gen-2 owners are advised to provide their service booklet to the Proton ADAS service centers or authorized dealers during routine servicing or repairs. The identification and registration of each Gen-2 will be recorded in its service booklet to endorse that the routine service inspection has been carried out in accordance with manufacturer's recommendation. The new Proton Gen-2 is powered by the state-of-the-art new CamPro engine, which has been engineered for high torque, fuel efficiency, and maximum performance. The 1.6-liter 16-valve engine with double overhead camshaft is capable of generating 110 horsepower and 148 Newton-meters of torque. This offers rapid acceleration response, enabling the Gen-2 to go from 0 to 100 km per hour in a mere 10.5 seconds and achieve a top speed of over 190 km per hour. However, driving experts claim that the Gen-2 can achieve speeds as high as 220 km per hour. The CamPro engine is designed to unleash this formidable power at 4,000 RPM and above, at the very pinnacle of the torque curve. This is so that the driver can still feel the power of the engine rising, even when driving at 180 km per hour in third gear.
As for the automatic gearbox, a lot of people tend to keep it in D, whether you're going uphill or downhill, and this actually adds a lot of stress onto the gearbox, onto the engine. The engine is not shifting at its optimal point, and customers should learn how to use the automatic gearbox from second gear right up to overdrive and D.
To optimize performance for cars using automatic transmission, utilize the gear selector's position appropriately or apply the kickdown or flooring method, as the Gen-2 is equipped with a wide-open throttle system that allows the driver to enjoy more power.
You should keep the rev range between 4,000 to 6,500 RPM before shifting up a gear. And this is because of the characteristics of the engine, which has been developed for optimal performance between 4.5 to 6.5.
Because the Gen-2 is designed for a high RPM driving style, cars using manual transmission should be driven on low gears at higher RPM, ideally at 4,000 RPM before changing gears. It is actually possible to climb a steep hill automatically by engaging the first gear, releasing the accelerator pedal, and subsequently releasing the clutch pedal. The Gen-2's superior structural integrity with its uniquely rigid chassis also contributes to enhanced straight-line stability. This, combined with the car's precise progressive steering response, facilitates extremely agile yet secure handling. The Gen-2 is also equipped with features for outstanding safety. 15-inch disc brakes ensure safe and responsive braking, while the car's increased body rigidity also exceeds international safety regulations and market requirements. Thank you for joining us. We hope that you have found this instructional video useful and that it will aid you in maximizing your driving pleasure with the Gen-2. In addition to viewing this VCD, you may also refer to the owner's manual provided with every purchase. This manual contains useful information that has been carefully prepared to familiarize you with every aspect of your car. Should you have any further inquiries, do not hesitate to contact the Proton ADA Customer Management Center via the number on your screen, or log on to our website for more information. In the event of an emergency, please call the 24-hour emergency assistance number printed on the sticker on your windscreen.